In this video,
we will learn how to change your banner in Fortnite. In Fortnite, if you want to change the banner of your profile, all you need to do is from the top left hand side, go to the locker step. After coming into the locker step, from the left hand side, you will select the lobby. In lobby, the first step is the banner tab. So left click on it to go into the banner section. In here, you will find all the banners that is available in your account. You can just select any of them. To select it, just left click on it. After left clicking on the banner, you can choose the color of the background of the banner, so which can be anything that you prefer. After changing the color, you can click on apply and get back to your lobby. And in here you will see that your banner has changed to the one you have just selected. So this is how you can easily change your banner in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.